Next thing that we're gonna cover is a tag that would be referring us to any website. Okay, so we'll just give a link here. So I'll just tell you now how can we just provide a link on our web page. We'll be just providing a link and it would be redirecting us to that particular link. Okay, so for that, what we will be doing, we'll be using an anchor tag that is called, which will be referring us to a link that we'll be giving in. So how we're gonna do is we're gonna just write a href, and then what we're gonna do is we just gonna provide the link to that particular site. Or let's say what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say www.google.com, or maybe uh, let's say not Google, maybe LinkedIn, because we are making a job portal. So I'll just say google.com, and so I'll say visit here for more details. Okay, so that's it. What we're gonna do is, and we'll just close the anchor tag, and let's see if this runs. Okay, let me just give a break first. Okay, maybe. And when I just click this link, it's not going to google.com. https I think it should go to google.com. Let me just try. This is not working. Okay, here it's working. Okay, so I think in the next tab it's opening, but it should open from this as well when we are clicking here. Okay, now it's opening. So we would just click this link and we can just give reference to any of the sites that we can. Okay, okay, I'll just say click here for, or I'll say LinkedIn. And I'm just gonna give some information. Click the link. Yeah, so this is how we can just give the link. So I'll just give the links like this. Okay, I mean right now for just to tell you, I'm using this google.com, but you can use any sites that you want. Maybe LinkedIn, Facebook. So I'll say LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, so let me just add that to okay, notes, it's already added. And okay, so this is how you can just, tell the user that he can visit to any of the websites for the information if any information is required from that website end. And next thing that we would gonna do is we're gonna prompt the user to just enter his email address and password. So for that, for email address, we have got an input type called email, and for password, we have got an input type called password. So let me just show you how we can just add the email and password. So I'll just say same again, label for email, and what it's gonna do, please enter email ID. Okay, and again what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say input type equal to email. And the same way I'm gonna give an ID and a name as well. Okay, and let's just give it email only. So this way you can just add the email as well. You can add email ID. And for password, it's very simple. You have to use input type as password only. So I'm again gonna use for password. I'm gonna say label for it's for password. Say password. Okay, so you see this is how we can just enter a password as well. So we have seen a lot of time that there is a checkbox as well. Near the password, in which when you just click on that checkbox, what it's gonna do, it's gonna show that what have you entered in your checkbox. So that we gonna also do that, but that would be a part of JavaScript only. So we will be just achieving that with JavaScript. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep a small checkbox here near the password, and when we click on that checkbox it will just show you the value that you have written. Okay, so this is how you can just add email ID and password and a reference to the websites that you want to refer.